Here's an example of they give you a formula and they want you to find an indicated term in this sequence. So our term that we want to find is term 11, a sub 11. So we're going to substitute 11 in for n. So a sub 11 equals 4 times 11 over 2 times 11 squared minus 4. Be careful on your orders of operations. So 4 times 11 is 44. And then 11 times 11 is 121. And we need to multiply that by 2, that 121. So you get 242 minus 4. And then 44 over 242 minus 4 is 238. And then you just want to reduce that down to its lowest term. Let's just move on to factorials. If you remember what factorials are, if I just kind of off the side here say 5 factorial, what that represents is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and you multiply all those numbers together in your calculator. And you get 120. What this problem is asking you for is to find the 8th term in this sequence. So just like the last example, you would substitute 8 in for n. So a sub 8, the 8th term, 8 factorial over 2 times 8. Well, 8 factorial you can do with your calculator. That represents 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Or use your calculator. Just put 8 factorial in. And then 8 times 2 is 16. Now, before you reduce this, you could also take and change this back to an 8 times 2. And cancel the 8 here, and the 8 here, and the 2, and the 2. So that's another way to do it. So now we just multiply 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, and then times 1. And you get 2,520 over 1, which is 2,520.